Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. My name is Ray Tucker, Technical Coordinator, Awlgrip North America. For nearly 5 decades, Awlgrip has been universally recognized and trusted within the yachting and boating industry for our outstanding quality, our unbeatable finish, and our continuous innovation. Speaking of innovation, today I'm excited to share with you information about Quick Build, our 2018 IBEX Innovation Award-winning primer. Quick Build was developed with speed and productivity in mind. Because of that, this is the perfect product for production boat builders, new boat dealers, and fast boat yard applications, so time and money can be saved throughout the painting process. Quick Build is an advanced and versatile priming system that uses 6 color bases to deliver vast color options. The ability to have an undercoat or finish primer the same or similar color as your top coat helps to alleviate opacity or hiding challenges, especially with color families such as reds and yellows. Also, the speed of Quick Build allows for shorter overcoating intervals and faster dry times, ideal for production style environments. The ability to apply Quick Build direct to gel coat and in certain situations direct to aluminum drastically simplifies the coating system for production boat builders and component manufacturers. Quick Build is a 3-part polyurethane primer. Depending on the application, Quick Build can be mixed to be used as a non-sanding sealer or as a sanding surfacing primer. Both variations use the same color base but have specific converters and activators. Simply swap out the converter and activator for application choice. Although Quick Build was developed with speed and efficiency in mind, there could be certain applications where the super yacht market could take advantage of Quick Build's versatility. We advise you to consult with your local Awlgrip representative prior to application on a super yacht. Quick Build's fast and easy systems are specifically designed for professional use and can be applied directly to certain substrates with no other primers required. Fast dry times and short overcoating intervals allow a full system to be done in a single day, from substrate preparation to top coat application. On-site training is available, as is training through our Yacht Paint Application Centers, commonly known as YPAC. So what's the difference and where is each variation used? A good rule of thumb is sealer is used for new or like new surfaces or substrates. Surfacer is used on aged substrates or surfaces requiring more work. A good example for a sealer application would be a new gel coat boat wanting to take advantage of the many benefits of an Awlgrip top coat. Simply prep the substrate, apply 1 coat of Quick Build sealer, 15 minutes later apply any of the Awlgrip top coats. A good example for surfacer application would be an aged gel coat boat, which would commonly have scratches and other smaller imperfections requiring extra work. Simply prep the substrate, apply 2 to 3 coats of surfacer, sand the surfacer, and apply your Awlgrip top coat of choice. Due to the speed of the cure of Quick Build and certain environmental conditions, the surfacer can be sanded the same day. The 6 Quick Build color bases can be mixed together to achieve nearly an endless color palette. However, we've done a bit of that work already. You can find 60 Quick Build color formulations on AkzoNobel's digital Mix-It Cloud system. You can find that at mixitcloud.com. If you do not have the ability to mix by weight, we have produced a Quick Build color card that gives values to be able to mix colors by volume. If you have an application where color isn't so important, but shade is, we have formulas created that give the appropriate volumes of white and black to achieve certain gray shade levels. Where you couldn't before, now you can. The speed and versatility of Quick Build will put money back in the pockets and time back on the clocks for many production boat builders, component manufacturers, and boatyard applicators. On the behalf of everyone at Awlgrip and AkzoNobel, I'd like to now take this opportunity to thank you for tuning in and giving a piece of your valuable time to learn about this exciting product. For more information about Quick Build, head on over to our website at awlgrip.com or contact your local Awlgrip distributor, or also reach out to your local Awlgrip representative. Thank you for choosing Awlgrip and have a great day.